back to my channel, Jerry Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. For today's video, I will be doing a Shein haul for you guys. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. Well, let's go ahead and jump right into. So the first items I have are on me. I have this cute gold charm bracelet. Hope y'all can see that. Then I have this silver charm bracelet, a little bit smaller but still definitely cute. And then I have this Brooklyn brown two-piece. I have some shorts, so I have on these shorts and they're kind of folded at the bottom, drawstring, and they're high-waisted. This is very comfortable and it is kind of warm, the shirt itself, and it is a very great quality material. I think this is a size medium. Don't quote me on that. And they do, I think they have other colors. I'm hoping they do, because this actually isn't the original one I wanted because it was sold out. So this was kind of a substitution for it, but I actually think I do like this one better. Next, I have this rusted, rust dress. I don't know what type of material this is. It has a tag on it. Let me see. It doesn't say. But I did put this on wrong the first time, but I figured it out finally from looking at the reviews. And it is really cute. The front is supposed to like droop and then the back is out. It's kind of pretty long. It goes almost at my ankles. It is thin material, but you can't see through it really. So that's a good thing. But this is definitely good for a date night. And it's comfortable. The material looks like or feels like it should be uncomfortable, but it's not. That is, I think it's a size medium. Next, I have this two-piece. At first I thought it was denim, but it's not denim. It's really just blue, kind of cloth-like material. So it comes with this high-waisted zip-up skirt with a slit on the side, and then it comes with this cute button-up long sleeve crop top, and as you can see, the sleeves have like these little strings so you can tie it around your wrist once you put the outfit on, because you don't want to tie it before you put it on. Then you won't be able to get your hands through the sleeve. But yeah, this is really cute. This is like business sexy kind of outfit. Very cute with some heels or something. And I think this is also a size medium. Next, I have this black kind of spandex two-piece. Like the outside is velvet, but like it really stretches. So at first, like, I don't know, this kind of fits weird. I don't know, I guess because I'm tall, so it might be different for a girl that's shorter than I am. Because I have long legs and it's like this skirt is supposed to be short, and I don't know, I guess I just feel like my butt or something is out. Like if I bend over, you might see my butt or something. Even if I have on panties or not, like I feel like you're just going to see my booty. It has like this little train attached to it. It's not really long. It's like go past my knee or something, but it's, I guess, supposed to be for like extra detail or something. I don't know. But yeah, it's really stretchy. This is a size, it might be a size small. Honestly, I really don't know. And then the shirt has like this net material, and then it's kind of a corset. It's not really a corset. It just has these clips because it's not really fitted. I thought it would be kind of like hold all my stomach in, but it definitely doesn't do that. And then it's definitely off the shoulder. It's not padded or anything, and the sleeves are actually really long. They have the holes for your thumb, but I think it looks weird and it doesn't feel right, so I'm not gonna wear it like that. But you're kind of supposed to overlap it. You're not supposed to have your stomach out. I thought it was a dress, but it's definitely a two-piece. So I put the skirt over the shirt just a smidge. Next, I have these stacked joggers, sweatpants, whatever you want to call them. These are a size medium. Probably could have went for a large. I don't know, I feel like a lot of stacked leggings or whatever, sweatpants, they're just a little bit tight around the thighs. And my thigh, I always thought my thighs were small, but I guess not if things are tight fitted around my thighs. But these are really long though, really long. So if you short, like 5'4" or under, you might want to, I don't know, maybe edit them, or I don't know, try to work your way around them, because even for me, they're really long. Like, I can wear them and be okay, but yeah, they're really long. And like the bottom of them, they're not really 100% fitted, so I'm gonna say they will drag. And then I also have this long sleeve crop top. I don't know what type of shirt this is, like a ruchade, like one of those shirts you wear like at a festival or something. And the sleeves are really long and puffy, and this shirt is a size small. I was debating if I wanted to get a medium or a small, and I was like, you know what, I'll just get a small. And the small is actually pretty big for a small. So like I said again, if you are shorter and you know, you usually have shorter legs, shorter arms, you might want to either get an extra small, or I don't know, just buy it and see how it fits, because some people don't like how stuff is kind of big. The sleeves are kind of droopy. I like it though, because I have long arms and the shirt really looks cute on me. It makes me feel like I don't have long arms anymore. And I love the little bell bottom sleeve effect. It's my favorite type of sleeve. Like, you can't go wrong. Next, I have this button up sheer white top, and it gives me 90s vibes, so I had to get one. It is collared. I had to slip something under it, of course, so y'all wouldn't see all my business. But as you can see, the sleeves are really long and not as fitted, which is good. The shirt is a large because I ordered a shirt kind of similar to it, and it was entirely too tight for the way I wanted to wear it. So I had to find me another one because the one that I had ordered already was sold out. They have these ribbons on the sleeve. It's literally just to tie it and make it look cute. It doesn't tighten it or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. It's long, but I really plan to wear it open and put like a shirt under it with some cute jeans and some sandals. But I'm gonna see what it looks like. I'm just gonna see. Next, I have this button-up black crop top, sheer top, and it gives me 90s vibes as well. I ordered a shirt kind of similar to this, and I just felt like the sleeves were not long enough for me. The material wasn't really that comfortable either. It was kind of itchy, and I don't like that. But this is actually a size large too, and it doesn't even fit me like a large, so I'm glad that I ordered a large. It fits me like a medium or a small. So yeah, see, I had to switch it up, wear something black under it, because the black on black looks good and the white on white looks good. And this is also kind of collared, but the collar is weird because it's not like sturdy. It's made the same material as the whole shirt, so it won't stand up or fold like I want it to, but it's fine. It's still cute. Pop on the necklace, call it a day. And as you can see, the sleeves are bell bottoms as well. I really love sleeves made like this, but I can't wait to style this because I have the perfect jeans and the perfect shoes to wear with this, so I cannot wait. And then I have this collared long sleeve bodysuit. I specifically got it to wear with this jacket I have, and I do not have a shirt to wear with it. So I guess when it starts to get back cold again and I go out, I'll have a shirt to wear with it. Cause it's a summer, I mean, winter is almost over, so I really ain't gonna be really going anywhere. And all I really do is go to work. So by the time I go somewhere, it's probably spring by then. And you know, it's starting to get a little warm outside. It's time to show some skin. Hello. But this is really comfortable. It's stretchy, and I usually don't like turtlenecks, but this one is actually really comfortable. The turtleneck doesn't bother me. Like this, the material is really soft and it's stretchy. So perfect, perfect, perfect. This is a medium. I was gonna get a small, but I did not want a small. I feel like it was gonna be too tight. And as you can see, it says medium, and it's a size 6. So let's get to these 2 pieces. I got some more 2 pieces. So I got this cute orange sleeveless crop top. It's kind of like a crop top, and it's really skin tight. It's a size medium. I'm glad I didn't get a small. So, and then it has these little ruching designs on the side, and the little drawstrings hang out. And I think I'm just gonna leave them like that because I really like how they hang over the pants. So I'm not gonna untie them. And you can pull it up, make it tighter, whatever you want to do. But me personally, I like to wear it how it is, so it doesn't need to be ruching. And then I have these camouflage jeans, really cute. I don't know what's going on with Shein and making them little stretchless jeans. Like, why does the material have to be so unstretchable? Like, it's like these pants are good, but they're a little bit tight around my waist and my thighs. So not my waist, my butt and my thighs. So, or I guess you could say hips and butt and thighs. I don't know why they keep doing stuff like that, but these are really good quality pants. They are tall friendly, and I have the perfect shoes to wear with this outfit, so I cannot. Gives me skateboard girl vibes, even though I don't skateboard. But I had to give me some of these. Had to. And they're like cargo effect, so they have like pockets on them at the bottoms, the sides, the front. So plenty of room to put whatever you want in your little pockets if you don't really like to carry a purse or a book bag. The pants are a medium too. Probably could have went for a large, honestly, but it's okay. Next, I have this cute button-up, kind of ruched effect in the front, collared long sleeve dress. Now, honestly, I could wear this in the fall, the spring, and summer. Hopefully, it's not too hot in the summer though. But this is really comfortable. It's really good quality. And the only thing I can say I don't like about it is like the buttons. Like in between the buttons, it's like openings to see under it, and you can see my body. So that's a little bit much. Whether I'm wearing something under there or not, I don't want people to see my body, my skin. I don't want people to see under. I just want people to see the dress. But this is a really cute color, and it looks nice on me. I wore this to a date that I had a few days ago, and I rocked this dress. I really did. It goes past my knees, and the color looks really good on my skin. I'm not really a green girl, but I'm gonna have to start wearing green because this looks really good on me. This is a size medium too. I think really everything I have is a size medium, except for that long sleeve red top. And then last but not least, I have this next 2-piece. So the shirt has long sleeve, the bell bottom effect, of course. And it has like an opening where the stomach is. Not crop top though. In the back it kind of just lays over the pants. But this is stretchy material. I can't say for this outfit to be a medium, it is a little bit fitted. So I can just, only difference is I feel like I could have went with a large in the shirt, but the medium could have stayed with the pants. I don't know why the tights fit weird, like around my belly area. So I don't know what's going on with that. But it's still cute, you know. I feel like I have to pull them up a little bit so they can lay over my stomach, because it looks weird if they were below my stomach and I had on the shirt. That don't look right. My stomach just hanging out, you can see it. Especially since I don't have my belly piercing anymore, so that's a little disturbing. But I feel like, I don't know, I just don't feel like they're 100% tall girl friendly. They go slightly at my ankles, but I like my tights to kind of fit like scrunched up at the bottom, because it makes me feel like they're long. But these don't do that when I pull them up all the way to a comfortable state. So, but it is what it is. So if you're short, they might fit you a little bit better at the bottoms. And it also depends on what type of shoes you wear. I mean, you could wear this outfit in the winter, fall, whatever, probably even spring, because it's not always 100% warm in spring. So you could wear this like with some Uggs or something, or some Crocs, whatever type of shoes you want to wear, or you could just wear it with some heels, who cares. But yeah, it's stretchy, it's nice, you know. And it's originally supposed to look like it's inside out, but it's not literally inside out. That's just how they made it. And I like clothes like that because it's different. I don't know what they call it, but yeah, it's really cute. But that is the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.